Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to remove copyright song from your videos. Maybe you post and you log into your studios, you see on your dashboard important notification copyright claim, so you click on it to see the copyright part. Then when you click on it, you check, you see details. Some copyright might not affect your channels, while some will affect your channel. So you check. After checking now, then you go to your content to also check. That dash content, you see restrictions. Under restriction you see copyright. So you click on it, you click on details. After clicking on the details, you see the copyright songs that is not meant for you to use, and you use it on YouTube. So you see the copyright. After seeing the copyright, you move your cursor to the three dotted line at the bottom there. Then when you click on that three dotted line, you see mute the songs, you see replace, and you see trim out segments. Then click on replace the songs, then it will drag you to the next phase. In this phase, you are going to select the music. You first see the copyright songs with red columns, so then you go to the section where you select the music. After searching for the music you want to add, you click on add. As you can see here, you click on add, so it will be added automatically. So when you now see that the length of the added one is not up to the previous one there, you can come to change it. Just like the way you are seeing this, the length of the one I added is not up to the previous ones, so then I have to pick another one that will suit. Now then you click on remove to remove the other ones that you added, the first one you added rather. So now let's see the length of it. The length is together the same. So then you click on save. When you click on save, you see save at the top corner. You click on save. When you click on save, then you see ready to replace the song. Then you click on save again. Then it will ask you to wait for some minutes. It will load. So the copyright claim will be removed, and you see working in progress. After some minutes, come back to log into your dashboard, to your YouTube studio. Go to the content again. You see not affected. You will see no copyright infringement again, no copyright claims again on your video. So please, you can also go to content and search under restrictions. Then you see that everything, there's no copyright claim again. So please just like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.